Hello everyone, I am Rajakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. In this video, I am going to present part programming. Before seeing the part programming, we should know the NC machine and CNC machine. What is NC machine? NC stands for numerical control. It means as a machine which is controlled by the set of instruction in the form of numbers, letters and symbols. The set of instruction is called as program. In NC machines, the programs are fed into the punch card. Then what is CNC machine? CNC stands for computer numerical control. It is defined as the machine which is used to control the motion of the workpiece and tool with the help of prepared program in computer. The program is written in alphanumerical data. In CNC machine, the program are fed directly into the computer by a small keyboard similar to our traditional keyboard. Okay. Then coming to the point, our topic, part programming. The part programming consists of a sequence of instructions to be performed on the NC or CNC machine. These are two types: manual part program, computer aided part programming. That means CNC. In order to prepare part programming, the programmer decides the order of the machining operation required to produce a component. The choice of machine tools and cutting tools depend upon the operations. Each line of program is numbered in sequence. Detail of operation are stated and x, y, z coordinates are given. Steps involved in the development of a part program: prepare the first process plan, identify the machine tool, then third, select the drive axis, choose tools, determine machining parameters such as feed rate, depth of cut, spindle speed, make job and tool setup plans, decide the tool path, write the part programming, test the program, document the program. These are the steps involved in development of a part program. Then steps involved in the development of a part program. First step, study component drawing. Detail about it include all the detail of the product. Then after study the component drawing, then move into next level, identify machine tool. The machine tool is identified from the machine tool database. After identifying the machine tool, then move into cutting tool. Select the cutting tool. The cutting tool is based on the machine tool database. Then after collecting the cutting tool, determine the machining parameters. The machining parameters is stored in machine tool database. The detail is collecting from the machine database. Then move to prepare the job and tool setup plans. After prepare the job and tool setup plans, then move into write up the part program. So the relevant details we have to write the part program of the part. Then test part program. If any modification is needed, we will change the program. After all the steps are okay means, then S means the machine control unit fit into the program. The machine is as per the program, it will working. That after completing the part, we have to inspect the part. Based on the program, the product is done or not. This is the steps involved in development of part programming. Then structure of NC part program data within the manual part programming. This is the structure. This is the first symbol. N means the block number. Second symbol G means preparatory function. Third X, Y, Z are the coordinate systems. F means spindle feed rate. M means miscellaneous function. That means coolant on or off, spindle on off. Then S means spindle speed. T means tool number. UOB means end of block. This is the order for making the program. That is the NC part programming data. Method of manual part programming. NC information is passed to MCU, that means machine control unit, in the block format or statement. Each block of NC data may be arranged differently, depends upon the control system requirement of the system configuration. The four basic tab format used for NC input are fixed sequential format, tab sequence format, block address format, word address format. Data within an NC block is specified in the following order. First one, fixed sequence tab format. In each NC block, same length and to contain the same number of characters are used. Example, if feed and speed are the same for the 10 blocks of NC data, if S, F and S must coded in each block. Okay, you can see this example of this program. Next, block address tab format. In subsequence, NC block through the specification of a change code. The change code follows the blocks and the block sequence number and indicates which value are to be changed relative to preceding block. Third one, tab sequence tab format. This use special symbol called the tab to separate data value within a block. Example for this program, you can see this program. This is a program for tab sequence tab format. And another one, word address tab format. It uses alphanumerical data specification. Each data value is preceding by a letter which indicates the type of data that follow. N20, G00, X1.200, Y100, F325, S T0, M09. This is the format of the coding, that means program. Okay, this format is used by most of the NC machine, also called variable block format. Basic CNC input data. See, first one, sequence number, that means N code. It is used to identify each block within the CNC program and provide a means by which CNC commands may be rapidly located. 3-digit numbers to appear after the N symbols: N025, Y25 and Z0. Second one, coordinate function. The coordinates of the tooltip are programmed for generating a given component geometry. The coordinates are specified by using the word address: x, y, z, u, v, w, I, j, k. For example, x value 100.125, y value is 25.005, z value 5.565. Then feed function. The feed rate, displacement or spindle feed rate is expressed in mm per minute. The third digit, 3-digit, that means the number prefixed by the letter. Example, F125 indicates the feed rate is 125 mm per minute. Speed function. Spindle speed is expressed in revolution per minute and is a 3-digit number prefixed by the letter S. For example, S1000 indicates the spindle speed is 1000 rpm. Tool function. The tool function is used in conjunction with the miscellaneous function for tool changes, M06, and as a means of addressing the new tool. For example, T05, M06. The execution of the above statement ensure the new tool number 05 is set up. M0 means tool change. Okay. And preparatory functions. It is represented by a 2-digit number prefixed by the letter G. The purpose of the preparatory function is to command the machine tool to perform the function represented by the selected code number. Example G90 specified absolute input dimension. ISO has standards a number of these preparatory functions. Then motions group G00 rabbit positioning, G01 linear interpolation, G02 circular interpolation, CW means clockwise, G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise, CCW means devel means G04 del means there is no movement. Then these are the functional codes. G00 is a point to point position, rabbit transverse, G01 linear interpolation, G02 circular interpolation clockwise, G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise, G04 devel, G05 hold or delay, G06 parabolic interpolation. These are the codes, G codes, using for making the program. These are the active plant selection group, cutter components group, unit group, holes making, Cannon cycle group, coordinate system preset. G codes and descriptions is there. Cannon cycle. Miscellaneous function is nothing but the functions involve actions that are necessary for machining, spindle on off, coolant on off. These are used to designate a particular mode of operation, a CNC machine tool. The program number, the symbol used for program number is 0 or followed by this number 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. The program number does not interference with the execution of the CNC program. These are the M codes. Okay, M00 means program stop, M01 means optional stop. These are the M code. Okay, machine's code. Then interpolations. Linear interpolation in practice are two types interpolation. Two types, linear and circular. Parabolic and cubic interpolations are also available for in more advanced system. In this method, the develop intermediate coordinate points on a straight line between the given start and finish point. The input contain discrete information in the form of absolute or incremental movement. G code for linear interpolation is G01. When motion is desired along a straight line at a given feed rate, the function is used. If the cut has to be made from A to B at the feed rate of 200 mm per minute, shown figure, this is the figure. Absolute coordination means A to B. That is, N means the starting N010, G90, G01. So linear coordinates. X value 160. 160 means you can see this figure, the value from origin to ending point, X value 160, Y value 40. Okay, then feed rate F equal to 200. Then incremental programming A to B means the N020, N020, G921 incremental program, G01, X value 130. The value started from A point, correct, exactly after the 30 distance, x-axis. Okay, so that we give the 130 value, Y value 110, feed rate 200. This is the incremental programming. Then circular interpolation, it is used to transverse along an arc. G code for circular interpolation is G02 for counterclockwise or G03. Okay. When the motion is A to B in XY plane shown in figure, the black is driven. The program is N030, G02, X60 and Y axis level 70 and 140.0 J and 10 F 200, feed rate 200. If the motion is from B to A, then the program block is N040, G03, X20, Y40 and J40 and F200. Reference book Automation, Protection System and Computer Integrated Manufacturing by Michael B. Kruger. Thank you.